Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving my thoughts and the usual swatches on this new palette. Then this is part of the holiday collection. It's October, okay? There ain't no Christmas around here, nowhere. But apparently it's Christmas everywhere, or holiday season, however you want to look at it. So this is the new palette, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Instant Look in a Palette, Gorgeous Glowing Beauty. So what does one get for one's hard-earned cash? Well, you get this. Now, of all the palettes, of the Instant Look palettes, this is my favorite, and I bought all of the products that you'll be seeing over numerous videos. So my favorite, look at the colors. You've got, these are rich burgundy brown. So if you're interested in that kind of color, this is for you. Now you get 5 2-gram each pans, and then these two larger pans are 6 grams each. You're getting a huge amount of product here for your money, which is good. It's a high-end brand, but you're getting your money's worth. So we're gonna swatch it. Now, what I will say is the eyeshadows here, you've got 2 shimmers and 1 matte shade, okay? And you've got 1 shimmer and 1 matte, and then these are bronzers. The bronzer and the highlighter has a small amount of shimmer in it. I love the texture of these. It's very, very similar to her eyeshadow palettes. I actually prefer this texture, but we'll make a start. So this is the highlight shade, which I'm popping on my lovely forehead, which somebody recently pointed out to me. Maybe you should get some Botox, Wayne. Maybe you should mind your own business. Second, we've got the middle shade, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous chocolate brown. And finally, we've got the matte shade, which is more of this really chocolate burgundy color. Now the shades blend really, really well. It may look slightly patchy here, but that's because I'm a bit greasy and I haven't powdered beforehand. So I'm gonna go in with the cheek first, which is the lightest of the palette here. So that's the cheek color that you're hopefully seeing being popped on my face here. And then this is the kind of more of the blusher tone. Now it looks quite brown in this camera, but it isn't. It is a pink, okay? So just bear that in mind. And it's a really pretty color too. And will show up on tan skin tones. It's probably about, you could go slightly deeper spectrum, but again, you don't expect this to really show up on very, very deep skin tones. Now, when it comes to the bronzer and the highlighter, the bronzer is very, very nice. Now, it does have a small amount of shimmer in it, but it's really, really pretty. And the highlighter is quite a peculiar one because it's really, really nice, but it is not as shimmery as a lot of the other highlighters. And I am living for the fact that it is. I'm going to swatch this right here for you as well, because that one was looking a bit muddy and it isn't. It's just my brush. And this one isn't as shimmery as a lot of the others, but it's gorgeous for the price and for the money. Now this is about £50 here, just under in the UK. But with the amount of product you're getting, you are getting a lot of money, a lot of product for your money's worth. 2 6-gram palettes and 5 2-gram palettes, which is quite incredible. And like I said, I bought this and I bought 4 of them because I will be using them a lot. And they're really, really nice. And the fact that you can have this all in one palette, pair this with MAC Spice lip pencil and your lipstick and gloss of choice, and you're good to go. Thanks so much, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.